Imagine this, you swipe your credit card, but instead of 25%, 29%, even 34% interest, you see just 10% fixed. Sounds impossible, right? But this is exactly what Donald Trump has publicly talked about. A 10% cap on credit card interest rates. Right now, millions of Americans are drawing in credit card debt. Average interest rates are the highest in history. Banks are making billions, while households struggle even pay minimum balance. Trump's idea sounds simple. Cap credit card interest at 10%. To many Americans, this sounds like financial freedom to banks. This sounds like a financial earthquake. So the real question is who actually wins if this happens, and more importantly, what happens to the US economy? Stay with me. Let's be honest, for the average American, credit cards are no longer convenience tools. They are survival tools. Groceries, cash, medical bills, rent gas. With interest rates above 25%, people are trapped. A 10% cap would mean lower monthly payments, faster debt payoff, less financial stress, more disposable income. Economists call this consumer relief. When people pay less interest, they spend more, save more, default less. That's good for the middle class, consumer confidence, short term economic activity. Politically, this is powerful. It positions Trump as the main fighting Wall Street for Main Street, but has the problem. What helps consumers doesn't always help the system. Now let's flip the coin. Credit card interest is one of the most profitable business in America. Banks price risk this way. High risk borrower, high interest, low risk borrower, lower interest. If interest is capped at 10%, bank loans their biggest weapon. So what do they do? Three dangerous possibilities. One, tighter approvals. Millions of men lost access to credit entirely. Higher fees, annual fees, late fees, hidden charges, credit contraction, less lending equal slower economy. This could hit low-income household, young borrowers, small business. Ironically, the people of the policy tries to help could be locked out of credit. This is why Wall Street hates the idea, not because it's impossible, but because it changes the power balance. So, will a 10% credit card interest cap actually happen? Realistically, it would be face massive banking lobby resistance, legal challenges, congressional battles, but has dude, even talking about it changed everything. It forced banks to defend record profit, politicians to pick side, voters to question the system. Whether Trump implements it or not, the idea exposes a bigger issue. Is the US credit system built to help people or trap them? If this policy ever becomes reality, it would be one of the biggest financial shifts in decades, and the whole world would be watching because what happens in America always reshape global finance. Never say die, we'll always with you.